We're unboxing one of the best hunting boots for men, and you got comes in 3 different color. We have black, brown, and camo. Today we got the camo color. What are you talking about? Hunting, fishing, gardening, yard work. I'm telling you, 100% waterproof from top to bottom. Very comfortable. Look at his gorgeous boots. Look at that. Wow, non-slip. Oh my god, look at these grips in the bottom here. We're not getting stuck anywhere, baby. Made really well overall. Beautiful. I love the front here. I love how this arrow comes down in the front. Boots is very comfortable. It's lightweight, very soft. You can see here, very soft. Good stitching, double, triple it looks like. Look at this, lightweight. Let's take out the other one. Beautiful leaf here. Look at the color. I love it. I love it. I'm a big fan of this. We're gonna put this on. I'm gonna show you how it fits, how it looks. Listen, check in the description box below for price details. Check your size. They have a lot of different size, a lot of different colors. Man, finally a pair of boots that I could look forward to. Best hunting boots right here. Amazing quality, 100% waterproof from top to bottom overall. We're gonna put this on right now, show you how beautiful this boots is. I can't stop looking at it. I'm amazed by the color, the craft work. Amazing. Overall, it's very lightweight. Look at that. See that? Very soft, comfortable. I love the bottom. See the bottom right there? And I gotta tell you, it's comfy. You could bend down, you could kick around, you could walk, you could run. It's really good lightweight boots. Very good boots. Highly recommend this. It's lightweight. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot every day. Check in the description box for price and details. They have different colors, different option, and different size to fit everyone. And right here is always an easy slip on. Good, very comfortable quality overall. Favorite. Hands up, thumbs up on Product Zone. Highly recommend this. Don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. Honest review,